Welcome to Horizon Engage. Now that you've created a trial account, you can set up your virtual classroom. Start by selecting the course you plan to teach from the available templates. I will select the Advanced Scrum Master course. Click the Schedule Event from a Template button that looks like a calendar icon and name your event. Add details about the start and the end time. I like to allow the event to run past the course completion date. Then select Schedule Event. From the Setting tab, you can adjust the event name and start and end times, as well as configure the number of breakout sessions you'll need depending on the size of your virtual class. I'm planning for 15 attendees, so I'll create 3 groups. You can rename them or retain the default group names. Next, you can add students by adding their email addresses here. The benefit of doing this is that you can assign them to their breakout groups before the class starts. However, this is not required as the virtual classroom link allows for anyone with the link to join the event. If you want to adjust the activities presented to your attendees, you can select the Activities tab and remove any that are not needed. You can now grab the event URL, which appears under the event name, to share with your students. During the setup, I selected a start time that allows me to join now to see my running event. To return home, click the Applied Frameworks logo in the upper left. Now you can see your scheduled and running events. We'd love to hear from you if you have additional questions or suggestions.